Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are about to install these paddle shifters from MMR. Anyways, they don't look that hard. We're gonna go ahead and just disconnect the battery. I believe I only have to take off the ground. I'm gonna wait a few minutes because I've done it before, but I took off the positive and the ground on the truck when I had to fix it because it was a wobbly ass lug nut. So I'm going to just take off the ground, let it sit for like 5 minutes. Let it sit for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna get to taking off the airbag. I don't know about y'all, but I get nervous whenever I'm about to do stuff to these cars. I don't know why. I guess it's just more so anxiety than anything. I don't want to fuck nothing up. You know what I mean? Okay, come put some gas. Put some money in the thing. Don't be yelling like a crazy boy, dude. What the hell? What damn fastener on my shit's not even tight. Dude, my fucking... Hold on, look, check this shit out. Remember, I bought this car used. Look at this shit. What the hell, dude? Come on, man. Well, with just a little bit of effort, the damn thing came right off. So I'm gonna have to end up getting this thing fixed, man. This thing's all twisted. You guys see that? It's not straight. Look at that. It's twisted. And I believe, I'm not sure. I don't think they're supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be flush. See, I'm gonna put these on. Titanium.
What is that?
Shifter pedals.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna check out the battery, but I have a little issue with that. I gotta take out the airbag. So I'm a little nervous.
Oh my gosh.
So right here, there's a little soft spot, and you can't really see it, but they say that's where it's the little piece of it. And it's like the truck. When I did the truck, it was. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah, but I don't want to stand in front of it. That's my fucking problem.
That's why I'm moving back. Be careful. Take him.
Bomb. Okay. It says it's a Torch 20. It's fucking hot as shit, dude. Yep. You don't have to just stare at this, dude. You can talk like normal. Can you go turn on the light? Turn that.
How?
The switch.
So I
Yeah,
stop
just
it?
go.
Stop it?
No. No, just go turn it on. What the hell are you doing? Oh, I should have moved this fucking seat back before I fucking shit. You have your phone?
It's over there.
It's where? It's where?
Right there on the boxes.
Okay, that's fine. Never mind. I think these are wrong. All right, boys. I fucked up. Ordered the wrong damn paddles. These are for like a Supra or for a newer style M. So, it is what it is, man. $225 screw up. Well, about $250 after taxes and shipping and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and place the other set on order, the ones that actually go for the car, and then I'll be giving these away at 500 subscribers. So if you're interested in these, if you know somebody that has this body style car that utilizes these, make sure to share them this video. And they could put this, I don't want to mess up this box for whoever gets it, but anyways, here's the part number. It is MMR 040501DA. Now, they are, like I said, they're about 225 bucks, about 250 after taxes, and they're obviously not used. So, I mean, my mess up. Anyways, I was gonna try to make some content, try to give you guys some new paddle shifters. I was gonna take it for a little cruise with the wife, but I guess not. But yeah, no biggie, man. We'll get back to the car when we can. I'll place these on order right now, and when they come in, we'll make another video. We'll give us a little go around again and try to put these damn shifter paddles in. It was actually a little bit easier than I was anticipating. My anxiety kicks up and I overthink all the process, and yeah, it's not that bad. On a difficulty level, I would say I haven't completed the job yet, right? On a difficulty level, it's probably about a 3. And the 3 is only because the nervousness of taking out an airbag. That's it. But yeah, man, you guys all take care. Make sure to, like I said, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned. I'll be giving these away, and maybe you know somebody, or like I said, share the link to them and tell them to subscribe, because they could potentially win some free paddle shifters, titanium, billet, whatever the hell they are. But yeah, man, you guys all take care.